Whisk AI just shut down, and if you were using it to generate AI images for your videos, you already know the problem. Consistent characters, free, unlimited, gone. Or is it? I tested over a dozen free AI image tools this week. Most of them? Trash. But 5 of them actually delivered. We're talking consistent characters, cinematic quality, zero cost. And the 5th one? Google built it themselves, and almost nobody's talking about it. I'm going to show you every single one, live on screen, no filler. Let's get into it. First up, Raphael AI. No account, no sign up. You just type and generate. I'm going to have ChatGPT write me a cinematic prompt right now. A farmer and a donkey, ultra realistic. Copy that, paste it here. Select your ratio. I'm going landscape for that widescreen YouTube look. Hit generate, 2 seconds, there it is. Look at that quality, realistic lighting, sharp detail. And if you need consistent characters, meaning the same face across every scene, upload a reference image right here. It'll match it. 2D animation, anime style, realistic. It handles all of it. Download in 1 click. Done. Number 2, Fregan AI. Same deal. No login required. But here's what makes this one different. The character consistency on this one is genuinely impressive. I uploaded the same farmer reference image. Look at this output. That's not the same person. That is the same person. Different scene. Same face. Set your ratio. I'll go 6:9 here. Hit generate. Roughly 2 seconds. Yeah, that works. If you've got a reference photo, it'll build the character around it. Upload once, reuse across your entire video series. Okay? This is where the quality starts to jump. Quenai. Built different. No login for a few images. But if you're building a full series, just log in. It's free. Hit the plus icon. Select Create Image. Now here's what you do for consistency. Click that plus again. Upload your reference image. Drop in your prompt. Hit Generate. 5 seconds. Stop. Look at this. The face from my reference image is exactly the face in this output. I'm not talking kind of similar. I mean pixel-level consistency. 1 click to download, it's in your gallery. Number 4 requires a login, but don't skip it, because the quality here is on a different level. Log in with your email. Takes 30 seconds. Hit Create Album. Upload your reference. Drop in your prompt. Set your aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube. Click Generate. Watch what happens. It doesn't just give you one image. It gives you a batch, multiple variations, same consistent character. Look at this face, now look at this face. And this one, same person, every single time. Click the one you like, download it. I tested this with the farmer image and a public figure reference. Both came back with insane consistency. This is the one for content creators who want professional-grade output without spending $1. And now, number 5. Google built this. They launched it as a direct replacement for Imagen 2. Most people haven't found it yet. It's called Google Flow. And yes, before you ask, image generation costs you 0 credits. Log in. Go to New Project. Select Imagen 3, the free, unlimited model. See that text? Generating will use 0 credits. That's not a glitch. That's how it works. Paste your prompt. Hit the plus icon to upload your reference image for consistency. 10 seconds. There it is. That face. That's my reference image. Same jawline, same eyes. Google just built your character for you. For free. And after generating, still same credits. Not one touched. Unlimited. Free. Google backed? This is the one. Now you've got the images. But images alone won't make your video go viral. The real problem? Most AI-generated videos get crushed by the algorithm in the first 48 hours. And it comes down to one thing most creators completely overlook. In this video right here, I break down the exact upload strategy that keeps AI content in the suggested feed, not buried. Click it. I'll see you there.